Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you for stopping by. Today, we got a cool little spotlight for you. This is the MSR Mountain Bike Multi Tool. And what's cool is that there's actually two options available. So this is a tool that I use personally. I always have it with me on any ride that I go on because you never know what's going to happen. And I've used mine plenty of times. But like I said, there's two options available. The difference between the two is that one is going to come with a chain breaker included, and that can also be used as a spoke wrench. The other will come with a CO2 inflator. So if you already have a chain breaker tool, so you want the CO2 inflator or vice versa, there's gonna be an option for you. But I'll show you the chain breaker option first. So with this one, the chain breaker folds out. And like I said, this piece can also be used as a spoke wrench, which is really cool. And then the option that comes with the CO2 inflator, it actually just slides right off and you can use that. So nifty little tool to have. Now, aside from that, both of these are gonna have identical tools included. So you're gonna have a 2 through 8 hex key, a Phillips and a flat blade screwdriver, and then a Torx T25 and T30. And like I said, you're gonna have all of those with both of these. It just depends if you want the chain breaker tool or if you want the CO2 inflator. But regardless, high quality metal, great tool, lightweight, nice and low profile. Like I said, it stays with me on every ride that I go on. If you don't have a multi-tool yet, you need one. So to grab one of these to see all the other cool products that MSR has for mountain biking, click the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. We ship for free over $75. And to stay up to date on products like this, you can subscribe to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I'm Chase. We'll see you on the trails.